Outstanding.
Hello and welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy eldohradoproductions thing. Don't forget to subscribe because I know some of y'all watching this video and hasn't subscribed already. Now, in this video, I want to show you how me do this Dark Vader pitch delay throw effect like. So I hope I probably might name it like that, but probably might find a cooler name for it uploading this video. So it is a delay, but I have done some things with the delay and it sounds pretty much alright. I just want to make you hear it first before I actually, come on, these gigantic sessions are slightly killing me off. Anyways, this is what it actually sounds like. Put it to grid mode and just mark here.
You promise, say I go stick around. You promise, say I go hold it down. You promise, through thick and thin, you go tough it out until me emerge with the crown. Know what is, I guess when in doubt, even your toughest players fizzle out. While me I build the boat for we stay afloat. You see the whole line left me for drown.
Yeah, so it is practically like that. So back to the mixing window. So what I did was the delay I have the delay this section here with the throws. I had to automate the delay and boost it up from the previous volume that I had it that I have it on. So I boosted it those parts to get the delay throws. However, what I did was on the delay I also added a limiter and enabled the limiter for this section. So the limiter that I have here is the stock one from Pro Tools, and I enabled the limiter in that section of the song. The delay gets louder, instead of pushing it actually louder, I just use the limiter to bring up the dynamics of the limiter. Now for the pitch part, what I did was I have two tracks. I muted one. It's like one sending to one and one sending to the other. So this track that is sending to the delay, I practically mute it. But I had a send return here and a send return on the actual delay. But I mute the actual auxiliary track, so it doesn't interfere with the rest of the delay sound, just using it for that particular part, so it unmute whenever that section starts. So what I did, I used Waves Doubler 2 and I loaded the Dark Vader preset. It's somewhere here. See if I can find it. It is somewhere, yeah. I loaded the Dark Vader preset and pretty much leave everything else as is, and I added a limiter to get it a little bit louder to where I needed it, and I also added a compressor to sidechain the effect to the delay. So when the delay is also the actual delay of the song is also sidechained, but I want to sidechain this pitched vocal pitch sound to the delay, so it does not interfere with the actual delay at first. Only during the delay throws the actual sound come up, to give that Dark Vader effect. So and the second auxiliary, I have colored it a wee bit different. I have Waves sound shifter, and I use the octave up preset that they have here to pitch it up 12 semitones or one whole octave, and I use a send return on the Dark Vader sound. So that's where you get this combination of a darker and a pitch chipmunk voice like going into the delay. So let me play this again that you can hear the actual sounds of the. Try and see if I can mute the beat a little bit and let you hear the pitch, the actual delay, the dark pitch vocal and the higher pitched vocal.
You promise, say I go stick around. You promise, say I go hold it down. You promise, through thick and thin, you go tough it out until me emerge with the crown. Know what is, I guess when in doubt, even your toughest players fizzle out. While me I build the boat for we stay afloat. You see the whole line left me for drown.
So that is how I got this pitched vocal, pitch delay. I'm going to say use the term pitch delay on this vocal track. It is a cool trick, and I have a lot more tricks up my sleeve when it comes to like stuff like this, and I'm going to demonstrate another technical one in another video. But for this particular one, you can really use it to spice up those in between parts of the song, you know, to add a little character to the song, so it doesn't sound as boring as how you mix it. But please do. This is a song that I practically produced. I actually produced for an EP, so you know I have to be a wee bit creative within the mixing process. And this is another song from Was Alpha EP. You can check it out. I'll be sure to leave links in the description below. I'm going to leave a smart link where you can select the actual place where you really want to go listen to it. So that is how I did this effect delay, this effect on this song. So I hope you can try it out on your session or on your actual song and see how well it does work for you. So until next time, it's your boy Eldorado. Please free to comment below if I have missed anything, and see you in our next video. Peace out.